Welcome to another new video here in Bijilo, the Gambia, West Africa. It's Prince over here. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking the subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and family. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you the latest update on this new road which the government is constructing here in this part of Bijilo and some parts of Kerr, the Gambia, in the year 2026. So guys, before wasting much time, let me just turn the camera. As you guys can see, the way the camera is pointing at it leads all the way to Sukuta, and then this other side leads all the way to the main OIC road, and that's the new road which they are constructing here. Let me just watch out for that tricycle. So guys, the new road will be constructed here. As you guys can see, they haven't put any asphalt on this other side, so the asphalt have begun over there, down there. And then this is how the real life looks here. This is how this environment looks. Currently, right now, I'm in Bijilo. And then guys, this is where the asphalt road have begun, and then it goes all the way down there towards Kololi New Road. This road is still under construction, and then it's somehow windy out here too. The wind is too much, so I don't know whether it is affecting the audio quality. And over there is a school. Yes, let me get to this other side. The wind is too much out here today. And over there, where that black gate is, over there is the Bijilo Lower Basic School. Down there, that's the entrance to the school. And then these are the poles for the street lights, which will be solar street lights. As I said earlier, this road is still under construction. They are about to start working on the street lights, the solar street lights. Which pole is this? These are the street light poles lying down. And then guys, one thing about this part of Bijilo, there are lots of Airbnbs and apartments for rent, because this is where most of the tourists prefer to stay whenever they visit the Gambia, because this area is not far from Senegambia, which is a touristic hotspot here in the Gambia. Plus Bijilo is not also far from the beach side, which is just like some minutes of walking to the beach side. So you guys can see most of these houses, this compound you guys are seeing, are apartments for rent. Street dog. And then guys, if you watch the video till here, just kindly give the video a big thumbs up. Your likes really helps a lot. It helps YouTube to push the video to a larger audience. And then don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel too. Your subscription also really helps a lot. It helps to grow the channel. Let's go. This is the 4K view of this part of Bijilo. And then I'm almost at Kerr. Guys, let me get on this other side. And over there, down there, is the embassy of the state of Qatar. I will show you their premises when I get there. As you guys can see, over there is the embassy of the state of Qatar. This is their premises. As you guys can see the Qatar flag waving over there in the sky. Hope you guys are enjoying this for a walking video. Guys, I'm getting into Kerr now, and then I will soon end this video. I just want to walk for a little bit and then close this video. Guys, the wind is too much today. And in here is a school, a daycare and a nursery school. Guys, finally I'm in Kerr. This area is part of Kerr. Yep. And then this is where I will end this video too. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. This is what I have for you in today's video here in Bijilo and some parts of Kerr in the Gambia, West Africa. The suburb second birth from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. I'm out. See you on the next video. Love you. Bye.